Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica. This machine was brought in because it was registering an error saying less coffee, which means that it thinks too much coffee is actually going into the infuser, and so it just stops. So what we discovered, we had tried a couple things. Usually our first go-to is the grinder in the situation, but we replaced that with no solution, and what we discovered is that we need to replace actually the whole transmission in the back, which houses something called a hall sensor. So when the transmission spins a gear, it's got little magnets underneath of it, and those magnets spin across this hall sensor, which determines how many rotations it needs to go for going down and up, which actually operates the infuser inside the machine, and those components had gone bad. And that's the reason it was mis-sensing. So we replaced it, and now everything is functioning once again. We'll test the features. Start with some hot water. There we go. All right. It's gonna heat for a second, and then we'll pull a shot. There we go. All right. Boom. Typically here is where you'd see the error. Beautiful. Alright, there you have it. DeLonghi Magnifica no longer displaying the less coffee error and functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.